once more hello from Hood, and I want to show you a third preview of the Sarah FTP client. So the Sarah can connect virtually to all FTP servers. Of course, the code of the Sarah is not so sophisticated as on the PCs, so some servers have problems, but most servers work. And one of the type of servers that works quite nicely is the FTP servers running all the mobile devices. So let's have a look how it looks like. I will use the MB02 version. Okay, now its by default is connecting to the host, which is written on the screen, but the laptop is now off, so let's connect to the mobile phone. Okay, username. Yeah, we are connected, we are there. It's Android phone. There is some camera directory, which of course is not interested. Most of the files of course are not interesting for ZX Spectrum, but as you may see, you can see the Sarah can browse FTP server running on the mobile device as well. Let's have a look on the download, where yeah, that's the error. I don't know if there are some screen files. No screen files, but there are some top files, I believe. There are 9 top files. Yeah. Okay, that's it. That was the mobile phone server. See you and bye.